Simplicity meets soul in the Huga mini house, where every inch whispers warmth and intention. Designed with Scandinavian influence, this wooden wonder offers more than just shelter, it gives you a feeling of home. Massive windows let nature in, filling the space with golden light at dawn and gentle shadows by dusk. Inside, smart storage solutions and sleek fixtures prove that minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Whether you're sipping hot cocoa by the built-in bench or writing your next novel beside the window, Huga wraps you in a cozy hug of calm. It's not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle shift. For $42,000, you don't just buy space, you invest in serenity, simplicity, and a slower rhythm of life. CABN isn't just a shelter, it's a kinetic living experience. Engineered with a sliding shell design, its wooden walls can physically shift, allowing you to open the structure entirely to the outdoors or close it off for privacy and warmth. The interior offers a serene, modular layout, a central sleeping area surrounded by multifunctional spaces, from a hidden kitchen to a tucked-away bathroom. Massive glass panels pull the outside world in, while the retractable structure transforms depending on your mood or the season. Designed in the Netherlands, it's ideal for modern nomads, wellness retreats, or nature-first getaways. Expect to invest around $95,000 for this architectural retreat. The Smartdome offers a futuristic take on compact, sustainable living. Its geodesic dome structure isn't just eye-catching, it's incredibly efficient, using less material for more strength and natural insulation. Built from modular fiberglass reinforced elements, the Smartdome resists harsh weather while maintaining a light environmental footprint. Inside, the circular floor plan maximizes usable space with smart furniture solutions, solar-powered lighting, and excellent ventilation. The dome's panoramic windows allow you to stay connected to nature while feeling secure in a cocoon-like shell. Whether placed in remote mountains or a quiet backyard, Smartdome combines low-impact living with high-tech resilience. It's more than a home, it's a step into a smarter, more sustainable future. Set against a forest backdrop or perched beside a quiet lake, the OOD Golden House looks like it was plucked from a dream. Its golden-toned wood facade shimmers subtly in natural light, blending modern architecture with organic warmth. The interior is compact but refined, with smooth wood panels, a minimalist kitchen, and a sleeping loft that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a tiny house. Around the heart of its design sits a price tag of roughly $88,000, justified by the high-end finishes, insulation quality, and panoramic window that frames the landscape like art. Whether used as a weekend escape, a remote studio, or a guest house, the OOD Golden House delivers an elegant, immersive experience that feels both grounded and extraordinary. Like something out of a sci-fi film, the space capsule House G70F brings interstellar design down to Earth. Its aerodynamic, pod-like shell is made from aerospace-grade composite materials, making it weatherproof, lightweight, and incredibly durable. Step inside and you're greeted with a smartly organized interior that feels more like the cockpit of a spaceship than a traditional home. Built-in LED lighting, climate control, and voice-activated systems enhance the futuristic vibe, while cleverly hidden storage and a convertible bed maximize function. Positioned at the center of innovation is its cost, around $45,000, a price that opens the door to smart, mobile, and modular living. Whether it's perched in a desert, forest, or urban rooftop, the G70F redefines what tomorrow's tiny living looks like. Crafted with a keen eye for modern design, Drop Structures offers compact yet captivating havens seamlessly integrated into nature's embrace. These distinctive structures, characterized by their clean lines and expansive windows, serve as tranquil retreats that blur the boundaries between indoor comfort and the beauty of the outdoors. Whether perched by a shimmering lake, nestled along a flowing river, or tucked away in a peaceful forest, each drop structure provides an intimate connection with its surroundings. Inside, thoughtfully designed spaces offer both rest and functionality, while the ease of transport suggests the potential for serene escapes in ever-changing landscapes. More than just shelter, a drop structure is an invitation to experience nature through a lens of contemporary simplicity. Starting from $62,000, the PrefabX Flip is a masterclass in space efficiency and foldable architecture. Designed for quick deployment and portability, this prefab home unfolds from a sleek container-like unit into a full-sized living space in under an hour. Its flip-out walls reveal a spacious interior with a modern kitchen, integrated storage, and a convertible sleeping area that doubles as a lounge. Built with high insulation panels and solar-ready roofing, it's ideal for off-grid living or emergency housing. The Flip is engineered for mobility. Whether it's mounted on a trailer or placed on a temporary site, it's always ready to go. Durable, customizable, and smartly laid out, the PrefabX Flip proves that fast and flexible living doesn't have to compromise comfort or style. Set against a backdrop of modern simplicity, the 3-by-6-meter tiny house captures the essence of minimalist living with surprising elegance. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the compact space with natural light, creating a seamless connection between indoors and out. Inside, the one-bedroom layout unfolds with clever design choices, a cozy bed tucked beneath warm ambient lighting, an efficient kitchenette with sleek cabinetry, and a compact yet fully functional bathroom. The open-plan living area is adorned with soft furnishings and clean lines, balancing style with practicality. Ideal for solo dwellers, couples, or guesthouse use, this tiny home isn't just about space saving, it's about redefining how we live within it. Its price around $8,000 to $12,000. Clean lines, a clever layout, and eco-conscious materials make the BALUCHON Nano a standout in the world of tiny homes. Built in France with a strong emphasis on craftsmanship, this mobile dwelling maximizes every square inch. The split-level design offers a cozy sleeping loft above, while the lower level includes a fully functional kitchen, workspace, and a compact yet inviting living area. Triple-glazed windows ensure insulation while drawing in generous natural light. Every fixture, from the oak countertop to the foldable table, feels intentional and refined. This mini house isn't just smart, it's beautiful. It's perfect for minimalists, travelers, or those seeking a serene backyard retreat. All this thoughtful design and elegance comes together at a price of approximately $68,000. Nestled in a serene woodland, Campking's Mystique Tent adventure offers more than just temporary lodging, it's an immersion into nature without sacrificing indulgence. Echoing a modern cabin aesthetic, the tent boasts expansive glass windows that invite the surrounding greenery and soft, dappled light to become part of the experience. Inside, thoughtful touches like a comfortable bed with plush linens, a compact kitchenette, and a private bathroom ensure that essential comforts are seamlessly integrated. Outside, the stone pathways, inviting hammock, and relaxing hot tub beckon you to unwind and embrace the tranquil rhythm of the outdoors. With prices starting from around $790. But the specific Mystique model's pricing isn't listed. The tiny house Flamenco offers a smart blend of style and function for those looking to downsize without sacrificing comfort. Built with a modern rustic design, it features a compact footprint with wooden siding, large windows, and a gently curved roofline that adds a unique touch. Inside, the open layout includes a full kitchen with efficient appliances, a fold-out dining table, and a cozy lounge area perfect for relaxing or working from home. A staircase leads to the sleeping loft, which fits a queen-sized bed and built-in shelves for storage. There's also a small but practical bathroom with a shower and composting toilet. Ideal for solo living or couples, Flamenco proves that with the right layout, even a tiny space can feel like home. Tucked quietly into nature, CABN Jude is designed to disconnect you from the noise and reconnect you with simplicity. Built for off-grid living, this minimalist cabin embraces clean lines, raw materials, and open space that flows seamlessly into the outdoors. The floor-to-ceiling glass wall pulls in natural light and panoramic views, while timber interiors keep the atmosphere grounded and warm. With a footprint of just 15 square meters, it's surprisingly functional, featuring a queen bed, kitchenette, and a compact bathroom with a water-saving shower. Around the midpoint of this serene setup lies its price, approximately $60,000, which reflects sustainable construction, solar integration, and premium craftsmanship. Tucked beneath the gum trees of Australia, Hauslein Tiny House Co. brings warmth, charm, and craftsmanship to the world of compact living. These homes aren't just built, they're crafted, with premium hardwoods, hand-finished joinery, and layouts that feel open yet deeply personal. Inside, you'll find thoughtful touches like a farmhouse-style sink, built-in seating with hidden storage, and a sleeping loft that feels more like a cozy retreat than a compromise. Large windows invite sunlight throughout the day, while insulation keeps things comfortable year-round. Perfect for families, solo dwellers, or weekend escapes, Hauslein homes strike the ideal balance between tradition and innovation. Expect to invest around $79,000, a price that reflects quality, comfort, and an invitation to live more intentionally. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of rippling water beneath your feet. That's daily life aboard the genius Hausboote. Designed for those who crave adventure without leaving home, this floating tiny house blends sleek modern architecture with the calm rhythm of nature. Large glass windows and a front deck let you enjoy lakeside views, while the inside feels just like a high-end studio apartment. There's a compact kitchen, stylish bathroom, and sleeping quarters that overlook the water. A hidden highlight is its eco-tech setup, with solar panels and a waste management system built for sustainability. With a starting price around $98,000, it offers both mobility and luxury. Genius Hausboote isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, set afloat on your own personal horizon. The ZeroSquared Aurora is a tiny house model known for its innovative expandable design. Built by the Canadian company ZeroSquared, the Aurora typically measures 26 feet in length and has a standard towing width of 8.5 feet. However, its most distinctive feature is the inclusion of two large motorized slide-outs. With the push of a button, these slide-outs can extend the width of the house to over 15 feet, significantly increasing the interior living space to around 374 square feet. This design aims to offer the convenience of a mobile tiny home while providing a more spacious and comfortable living environment when parked, resembling a small urban apartment rather than a traditional trailer-based tiny house. The Aurora often includes features like a full-sized kitchen, a living area, a bathroom, and a ground-floor bedroom that can sometimes convert into an office with a Murphy bed. Designed for city dwellers and nomadic adventurers alike, the Pedo Tricycle House redefines what it means to be mobile. Built on a pedal-powered tricycle frame, this tiny home on wheels folds out like origami, revealing a livable space complete with a bed platform, desk, and translucent walls that let in natural light. It's not just transportable, it's bikeable, making it ideal for densely populated areas where space is scarce and mobility is key. The lightweight polycarbonate panels provide shelter from the elements while keeping the structure surprisingly strong and weather-resistant. Perfect for short stays, temporary housing, or eco-conscious urban life, the Pedo Tricycle House offers freedom without the footprint. All of this innovation comes in at a price of around $14,000.